Honey, did you feel that tremor?
I did. This is our brand new WeRmudfun adventure vehicle, a 2026 Ford Explorer TREMOR.
Yeah, we decided that we would do a review video basically showing what makes the 2026 Explorer TREMOR a tremor.
And some other cool things you can find on the 2026 Ford Explorer. Let's go.
Hey everyone, to all of you who are waiting for more adventure videos, they'll be coming, but if you look around, Mother Nature hasn't been playing fair this year, and I know it's across the whole United States, but that's an awful lot of snow. So we thought this would be a great time to introduce you to the 6th generation 2026 Ford Explorer with the TREMOR package. So a little history, the TREMOR package was first put into the Ford Ranger back in 2002, and it was just an audio system. 485 watt Pioneer stereo with a subwoofer. A lot has changed since then, and it's available in a lot more vehicles. You can get it on the F-150, you can get it on the Super Duties, you can get it on the Maverick. As of last year, you can get it on the Expedition, and as of this year, 2026, on the Explorer. Now, chances are good we'll be doing a lot more videos on the Ford Explorer TREMOR, so you might want to subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time we put a new video out. And if we could get you to hit that thumbs up button, we'd appreciate it, because it really does help out the channel. Now we're standing here in front of the Explorer with the TREMOR package, and some of the things that make it the TREMOR package is, well, hon, what sticks out to you first?
The thing I like the best, the orange.
Yeah, it does make it pop, but the color is actually called Electric Spice. And if you look down, there are two tow hooks that are also painted in the Electric Spice. Now when you come back up, there is the blacked out Ford emblem on the front and the rear. Now off to either side are these covers for off-road lights. Keep in mind, depending where you live, off-road lights can only be used off-road and may be required to be covered when not in use. In New Hampshire, you can get a ticket, so don't lose your covers. Automatic headlights, high beam,
beams.
And off-road lights. So I guess they do make it a little bit brighter.
Yeah, they improve right in front of you.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to show you how to put these back on. They're not the easiest in the world, but what you're going to do is take it. This is the top with these. So to line it up, get it as close as you can, and then if you pull out on the grill, help get these in, and then line it on up. Oops. And that's how they go in.
There you go.
Pretty easy when you see it done. All right, so looking under the hood, you are looking at the 300 horsepower, 2.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. There's also a 400 horsepower twin turbo 3.0 V6 available, but only as an option with the TREMOR Ultimate package, which includes all of this at an additional cost of $11,850. So I guess it just depends on your need for speed. All right, let's talk ground clearance. It is 8.7 inches on the TREMOR, thanks to the off-road tuned suspension that adds a 1-inch lift to the vehicle. As we come up, check out the shoes. Those are 31.5-inch Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires on 18-inch rims with the Electric Spice on every rim surrounding the air valve. Why? Well, in case you are stuck out in the mud or the dirt and you need to air up or air down, you know exactly where to go.
And around the back here, we've got the blacked out Ford emblem here.
Yep.
And the TREMOR badge. And a little bit more orange.
No, Electric Spice. Let's show you something that most people aren't showing you. We're going underneath, people. Now, the first thing to greet us is a skid plate, which protects the radiator and the cooling element. It also gives the TREMOR a 24.1 degree approach angle. Now, as we continue along, it brings us to the second skid plate that protects the engine and the driveline. Now, a little bit further to the right is the fuel tank, and no, that is not a skid plate on it. It is an underbody splash shield that only appears to be made out of vinyl and felt on the outside of it. Next on our tour is the third skid plate that protects the area around the trailer hitch, giving the TREMOR a 23.7 degree departure angle. The TREMOR also has a Torsen limited slip rear axle, and you're looking at it right here.
The other thing the TREMOR has is the Electric Spice stitching throughout the cabin, even on the steering wheel, the center console, and on the seat. It's even in the back seat. Pretty cool. Now we're going to show you the drive modes the Tremor has. You're going to turn this little dial for the drive modes. And then over here, it'll show you the drive modes on the dash.
This is tow haul, sport, eco, normal, slippery, and off-road.
And as you can see, the camera pops on with off-road.
That helps you when you're out there. If you're coming up on an obstacle and you don't know if you want to go over it or around it, this will let you know how you're going. There should be a rock somewhere out there, isn't there?
Put it in drive.
Ah, there's our rock.
There's a rock right there. There's also a dog out there.
Yes, we'll try to hit the rock, but not the dog.
So put it into drive, and we'll show you. You can turn on a 360 camera too. And on the right-hand side, you can see everything around you while you're off-roading. So the fog lights act as cornering lights when you're going at slow speeds and you're in low beam. See, he's turning that way. Turning the other way. That's pretty cool.
All right, everyone, so we've come to the part now where we have to discuss Easter eggs. We have found 4 of them on this vehicle. What are Easter eggs, hon?
They are designs and features hidden within the vehicle for the entertainment of the owners.
Yep, they're put there by the manufacturer. Now, the first egg is right here in the lower corner of the windshield. That is a 6th generation Explorer. The other 3 eggs are pretty easy to find. One is the skyline of Detroit, where the Ford Motor Company was founded back on June 16th, 1903. And another egg is the skyline of Chicago, where the Explorer has been assembled since 2011. One of the last ones we found so far is all 5 Explorer generations, with one of them being the Explorer from the Jurassic Park movie. If you can't find these, write to us and we'll give you a hint.
But if you find any more, please let us know in the comments down below.
All right, everyone, there you go. This was our review of the 2026 Ford Explorer TREMOR. Now, I hope you guys liked what you saw, and if you did, we'd appreciate that thumbs up as always. Want to follow along with everything we do here on the WeRmudfun channel? Right down there in the corner, just click it and you're in. After you do that, don't forget to ring the bell and you'll be notified anytime we put out a new video.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back. We always do. Until our next video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
See ya.
Bye.
WeRmudfun.